TP-Link Deco X50 PoE Setup. Step 1. Unbox the Deco X50, verify all components are included, Deco units, power adapters, Ethernet cables, and documentation. Step 2. Choose ideal locations, select central, elevated spots for Deco units to maximize coverage and minimize interference. Step 3. Connect main Deco to modem, use an Ethernet cable to link the primary Deco to your modem, ensuring a stable connection. Step 4. Power up main Deco, connect the main Deco to a power source or PoE switch, and wait for it to boot up. Step 5. Download and install the Deco app, get the TP-Link Deco app from the App Store or Google Play and install it on your phone. Step 6. Log in or create an account, open the app, log in, or create a TP-Link account to access the setup wizard. Step 7. Follow app instructions for setup, use the app to configure the main Deco, naming your network and setting a password. Step 8. Add additional Deco units, place and power on additional Decos, and use the app to add them to your network for a seamless mesh. Step 9. Test network connectivity, check Wi-Fi coverage throughout your space using the app's tools or by testing devices. Step 10. Update firmware and customize settings, update firmware via the app and configure settings like guest network, parental controls, or device priorities.